Question number second. A worker under the Hasley method of remuneration has a day rate of rupees 120 per week of 48 hours plus a cost of living bonus is 1 per hour. So the rate of day is 120 rupees per week, 48 hours, and cost of living is 1 hour. He is given 8 hours task to perform while he complete only 6 hours. He is allowed 30% of time save as a premium bonus. Okay, what would be the what what would be his total early rate of earnings, and what difference would it make it if he was paid under Rowan's plan? Okay, so we have to calculate this one.
Problem number second in this video, labor cost, labor wages. Problem number 7, a worker under the Halsey method of remuneration has a day rate of 120 rupees per week of 48 hours plus a cost of living bonus of rupees 1 per hour, means per hour work. Overall 48 hours he will get 48 rupees, he will get cost of living. He is given an 8 hours task to perform which he accomplished in 6 hours. He is allowed 30% of time save as premium bonus. What would be his total hourly rate of earnings, and what difference would it make if he was paid under Rowan plans? Okay, first he's saving time 2 hours, again he's getting 30% extra for his time save, so we have to calculate according to Rowan plan. Okay, first what we have to do, we have to highlight the information, important information. Question number second, long questions. Okay, time taken is 6, standard time given 8, rate 2.50. How you will get 2.50? Let's see here. As per Halsey, but first as per Halsey has to be calculate, because it's given according to Rowan. Okay, so if Rowan is this much, means as per Halsey how much? Let's calculate for 48 hours. Total overall is paying 120. For 1 hours, how much it will be? Okay, so 1 divided by 48 into 120. You can calculate like this. How much you will get? 2.50. Otherwise another method is 120 divided by 48 into 1, 2.50. You will get both the same. So how much rate? 2.50. First let's calculate according to Halsey, then go for Rowan's. If Halsey calculation, how much we are getting by Halsey? It's not mentioned about Halsey, but we have to calculate according to Halsey. Okay, first Halsey bonus. Answer formula is T into R plus percentage S minus T into R. Time taken is 6. Into standard rate is 2.50 plus, okay, how much is 30 is given, percentage, so you can take 30% or 0.3. So I'm taking 30%. Okay, standard time given 8 minus time taken 6 into rate is 2.50. Multiply, you will get 15 plus 30%, 2 into 2.50. 15 multiply 30% means you will get 0.60 into 2.50. How much? 15 plus 1.5, overall 16.5. Okay, now let's calculate. This is a bonus we have calculated just for bonus. Now let's calculate total wages also by Halsey. Total wages by Halsey or else by bonus plus time taken into rate. Halsey rate is 1 because row 1 rate is change, but Halsey rate is always 1. Whenever you are calculating the total earning rate, because he is earning only 48 hours, 1 hour 1 rupees, 48 hours 40 rupees only, but we have calculated a different way for the purpose of bonus because he is completing earlier work. He is getting 30% extra. That's why we have calculated 2.5 this rate. But calculation of wages with same formula means same rates. Bonus we have got 16.5 plus time taken is 6 into rate always 1 for total wages. This one is 16.5 and this one is 6. 22.50 is the answer. Now, as per row 1, as per row 1 plan, calculation bonus. First, write the formula time save divided by standard time into time taken into rate. Time save, how much time he save? The time given is total overall 8, but he's complete within 6 only. So 2 hours is saved out of standard time is 8 into time taken is 6 into rate is, because the rate we have extra rate means 2.50. For the purpose of bonus he will get extra. Whenever you divide this one, the calculation overall you will get 3.75. This is the bonus. Now write the formula for total wages. Total wages, time taken into rate plus bonus. Time taken 6, rate is, row 1 rate is change. When we are calculating for total wages for by Halsey, the rate was 1 hour, but row 1 rate has changed because it increased 30%. So plus bonus how much? 3.75. So what is, how much we are getting? 15 plus 3.75, overall 8.75. How much? 8.75. This is total wages. And total earnings. Total earnings is different, total wages is different. This is the wages only, he is getting total wages. With extra bonus, let's calculate how much he is earning. Wages, okay, sorry, it's 18. Wages plus time taken into rate. Now in total earnings, the rate, okay, so in here wages plus earning for Halsey, I forget here, wages plus earning here calculate, but for Rowan's wages should be different and total earnings will be different. For total earnings, wages plus time into rate. Wages, how much we got? 18.75, and time is 6. Time taken into rate is 1 here. For total earnings, rate should be 1. For calculation of wages and bonus, the rate should be different. Okay, calculate this one, you will get 24.75. This is the question number 7 in long.